Hello, thank you for shopping here at Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. My name is David Hinote. I'm a product specialist where I work with these vehicles. And today we want to show you the Bronco Badlands. It's one of the numerous brands that Ford has with their Bronco. Badlands is kind of more of an off-road type vehicle. You've got 17-inch tires. It's got a 2-liter engine in it, which is plenty horsepower to get you wherever you need to go, with a 6-speed transmission. There's a lot to it. You've got your roof racks, which you can strap stuff to the roof, and you've got your back here. You've got a back here, you have a Class 2 hitch with trailer package. So it's ready to tow, depending upon what you've got. If you look inside here, you've got plenty of room, and the good thing is it's all rubberized. So if you get dirt in it or whatever, you can just scrub it out. And let me show you here something real quick. All these mats fold down. And that it's just a matter of pulling up your front seats so that they fold down. So this is a complete cargo system. And you've also got, if you look right here, you got a 12 volt and an AC volt connection. So that's one of the main features back here, is you can hook up a stereo to it or whatever you want to it. TV, if you want to do a tailgate party. That's about it for the vehicle. If you want, we go for a drive. The Bronco is one of the greatest utility vehicles because it pretty much does anything you need to do unless you're completely going off-road. But otherwise, it's great. Here at Heritage Ford, we have one of the biggest selections of Broncos. And like I said, there's all different models where some are more off-road than others. Like this one here, it has 2 different modes. It's got a 4-wheel drive mode and an off-road mode. So it's just a matter of what you prefer. And once again, like I said, there were so many different versions of the Bronco. You go with the sunroof, no sunroof. This one here does not have a sunroof, but you can get them with a sunroof, larger tires. And there's numerous configurations that you can get. But you can see the acceleration is awesome. And that's a 2-liter engine. So the powertrains that they make these days are just nothing like they used to be back in the day. The power and the torque is just so much different. It's all right to the driveline. And one thing I like the most about the Bronco is you've got the wide front windshield, so you've got complete vision all the way around, almost, pretty much. And plus, most of the vehicles have what's called a 360, which is called, it will let you know when you're getting close to somebody or somebody's getting close to you. It will beep and contact you and let you know. And that is one of the, it's called a Pilot 360 with Ford. Right now we're just kind of going on the back roads around the dealership, just so you can see how smooth it is and how comfortable the ride is. So this pretty much ends our test drive with the Bronco. I hope you enjoy it, and if you like the features, and if you want to contact one of us. My name is David Hinote, and my phone number is 812-972-2679. Give me a call, and we can see if we can set up a test drive or demo. I thank you very much.